Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today we are going to see unboxing and review of this power resistant band from company SGS. So let's do a hardcore unboxing. So after doing this hardcore unboxing, I'm going to show you the quality of this product. As you can see, this is coming in this damaged box. Not that much damage, but somewhat damage. It is power resistance band. As you can see, it is made up of 100% latex tubes, and these are the different weights of different colors. So different bands has different weight, and from this we can see that which band can be used for how many weight. This is the packet in which we are going to get all the bands as well as some accessories that we can use to hinge or to make it usable by using some different types of adjustment. So this is a strap that we are getting in this. As you can see, this strap is your for that you can use in your via your leg. So you can just tie this up, and this, I will show you how to tie this up. So you can just move that, like this part of band inside this ring, and then you have to just tighten it as per your convenience or as per your shape and size of your leg, and then like this it gets fitted. So overall the quality I would say is not that good what I have used for other different resistant band. So it's like okay for this product, because this product comes out to be around 499 rupees. So for that it's fine, and you can see that you're getting this supporter or this accessory which can be used with your door, where you can just put this behind the door and you can close the door, and then you can now use the resistance band for other exercise purposes. So as you can see, this is the manual for how to use it. This is that support or accessory that we have to use it, and you can just use it. You can just put this on the top of the door, and then you can close the door, so that way it will remain fixed. And as you can see, this is the method which is given in this informative information page. And these are the exercise that you can perform by completing this kind of steps if you do it. So after doing that, this is the hand support that you're getting, and this hand support, generally we are going to tie it up with this resistance band. So in this way you can tie this up with this handlebar, and it is rotating in this kind when you are doing the exercise. And this is, as I mentioned, the straps are like it's thin and it is not fitting in that hand grip, so it's fine that and then this thing is concerning to me that if I am stretching it, as you can see over here, it's not that fixed completely with the attachment. Maybe it lead to some damage afterwards, but as you can see, if I'm zooming this up, you can see that there is some gap. This not has to be. So as you can see, this is the hand gripper, and in hand gripper, this is robust. This is not movable, and however, the width of this strap is quite small, and we are getting this thing. This is very good. However, these pins, or yeah, these pins are very small. But one more thing, you can see that over here it is having this rotatable pins, so it's very good. Like you can, when you're doing exercise, it rotates, so it is not robust. So that is fine. That is very good feature that we are getting in this. However, this band quality, I suspect it may get damage for repetitive using. Let's say, I'm not sure, but the quality wise, I would say it is not that good as which I have used in past. And you can see this, I'm getting over here kind of a band in when this product get delivered. So overall, I would say I would recommend if you are going to use it in a lightly manner, but if you are going to use it as a heavy, in a heavy duty manner, I would say try to go with some more expensive and good quality product. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.